Hi, I am Ritik. I am from EC department. We are going to discuss about embedded system and robotics. Relationship between robotics and embedded system. A combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function or within a large system is called an embedded system. Specific tasks are performed using an embedded system but cannot be used as general purpose computers to perform different tasks. The software for the embedded system is normally referred to as firmware, which can be stored in a disk or in a single chip. The two main elements of the systems are embedded system hardware, embedded system software. Embedded systems are also used as computer systems that perform the actions such as monitoring, responding, and controlling external movement. These are called as real real-time embedded system. The computer system is used to connect the external environment through sensors, actuators, and I/O interfaces. A real-time embedded system is used to different fields such as military, government sector, and in medical. For high precision jobs and under dangerous working conditions for humans, the world is now taking advantage of robotic application and technology. With the components of robotics, you can know the relationship between robotics and embedded system. A robotic application has primarily three main components: a mechanical device to interact with surroundings, sensors, embedded system. They are used to bridge the communication between the mechanical device and sensors. Application of embedded system in robotics. Robotic vehicle with long distance speech recognition. These robotic vehicles are controlled by voice commands for remote operation. This will make you understand the relationship between robotics and embedded system. The speech recognition module is used with a 8051 microcontroller to perform the desired operation. Push buttons are voice command by a speech recognition module, which is interfaced with the microcontroller, are used for vehicle movements like left, right, up, and down. Remote controlled robotics vehicle for store management. These robotic vehicles are controlled using a touchscreen display unit for remote operation. This is another example of the relationship between robotic and embedded system. Robots use the touchscreen module that sends the control signal corresponding to the vehicle movement to the controller. Signals to encoder are sent through this microcontroller and then to the transmitter that eventually transmits the signals to the receiver circuit. Robotic vehicle with long distance speech recognition and remote controlled robotic vehicle for store management are the two embedded system applications in the field of robotics. These examples of the embedded system might have provided you with a better understanding of relationship between embedded system and robotics. Thank you.